One of my favorite things is decorating this time of year, so I want to share with you guys a little inspiration for creating an upcycled floral centerpiece that's perfect for your holiday table. The first step to making this centerpiece is to wrap boxes, and instead of going out and buying boxes, I'm just upcycling boxes that I already have. So I've got one right here, and I'm using wrapping paper. You can pick any colors you want that are gonna coordinate with your table. Once you've got your piece cut, I'm gonna use some double stick tape. And so basically all you do is put some double stick tape on the top, line it up, and then you bring it over and the paper is attached. So I'm gonna do that on the opposite side. And then I'm gonna trim these a little bit. I wanna leave about an inch of an edge on this side. And now all I'm gonna do is just make little cuts here right into the corners of the box and just tape it right down. Now for my corners, all you're gonna do is just kind of pull it and press it right down. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So once you've got it like this, now all you need to do is tape it down. To complete our gift illusion, I've got some ribbon here that I bought in the floral department. I'm gonna put that in there and then just pull it tight. My box is done and it's ready for the flowers, but later on I'm gonna circle back and wrap these little upcycled boxes in different gift wrap to really accent our centerpiece. Now I've got a vase here and I've got some wet floral foam I cut and put inside, and the foam is gonna suck up so much water that it's gonna make sure that your flowers last at least a week. So you're just gonna let that soak in. I'm gonna place this inside of our box carefully. So I've got some hydrangea here. I'm just gonna clip off some of the leaves. I'll keep these ones at the top. And these are gonna be the first flowers that I put in. Now when it's time to trim them, I like to cut it at an angle so that you're getting as much surface area of the flower as possible so it can get as much moisture, and it gives me a nice sharp edge to be able to put right into my floral foam. I want these to be kind of clustered together to really fill up the space on the top of the box. And then I've got all sorts of other beautiful flowers and berries to fill in. And while you're making this, you sort of want to spin it around so you can see the arrangement on all sides, because you will have guests looking at it from all sides. And you can just kind of have fun with it, fill it in however you'd like. There we go. I think that looks beautiful. Now when you move it, make sure to put your hand underneath because the vase inside is pretty heavy. So I paired my everyday white tableware with a red napkin to add a little festive color. And then I found these at Hy-Vee that I loved. They're these oversized enamel mugs. These are perfect for soups or hot chocolate. I'm feeling cozy already. Our table is set and ready for our friends and family, and the floral arrangements are sure to impress. I hope this gives you inspiration to create a beautiful holiday table of your very own.